What is science? Science refers to the systematic study of the natural world through observation, experimentation, and the formulation of theories or laws. What is research? Research involves the systematic investigation of a particular topic or issue to discover new knowledge, validate existing theories, or solve practical problems. Difference between research methods and methodologies. Research methods refer to the specific techniques and tools used to gather and analyze data, while research methodologies encompass the broader frameworks and approaches guiding the research process. Ontology, epistemology and paradigms. Ontology refers to the study of the nature of reality or existence, epistemology deals with the theory of knowledge and how it is acquired, and paradigms are overarching perspectives or belief systems that shape researchers' worldview and approach to research. Qualitative v. quantitative research, difference plus pros and cons. Qualitative research focuses on understanding experiences, meanings, and social phenomena through non-numerical data, while quantitative research involves the collection and analysis of numerical data. Qualitative research provides rich, in-depth insights, while quantitative research allows for statistical analysis and generalization. Main research methods, pros and cons. Common research methods include surveys, experiments, interviews, observations, and case studies. Each method has its advantages and limitations, which depend on the research questions, available resources, and the nature of the data being collected. What is a true experiment? A true experiment is a research design in which participants are randomly assigned to different groups, with one or more groups receiving a specific treatment or intervention, while others serve as control groups. This design helps establish causality between variables. Research ethics. Research ethics involves principles and guidelines that ensure the protection of participants' rights, minimize potential harm, maintain confidentiality, and promote integrity and honesty in research. Ethical review. Ethical review refers to the evaluation process conducted by institutional review boards or ethics committees to assess the ethical implications of a research study before it can be conducted. Reflective writing, difference academic writing. Reflective writing involves introspection and personal reflection on one's experiences, thoughts, and feelings. Academic writing, on the other hand, focuses on presenting research findings, arguments, and ideas in a formal and objective manner. Literature reviews, definition and purpose. A literature review is a critical analysis and synthesis of existing scholarly works and research relevant to a particular topic. It helps establish the context, identify gaps, and highlight key findings to guide further research. Information sources, hierarchy of authority, Boolean operators. The hierarchy of authority refers to the ranking of information sources based on their reliability and credibility. Boolean operators, and, or, not, are used to combine or exclude keywords when conducting literature searches to refine results. Questionnaire design, survey populations, sample populations, probability sampling, random sampling, opportunity sampling, stratified sampling. Questionnaire design involves the creation of a set of structured questions to collect data from survey populations, which are the target groups of the study. Sample populations are subsets of the survey populations. Probability sampling, e.g., random, stratified, ensures equal chances of selection, while opportunity sampling relies on convenient and readily available participants. Open v. closed questions. Open questions allow respondents to provide detailed and unrestricted responses, while closed questions offer predefined response options. Open questions enable richer qualitative data, while closed questions facilitate quantitative analysis and comparability. Sample sizes and relationship to statistical significance. Sample size refers to the number of participants or observations in a study. Larger sample sizes generally increase the statistical power and accuracy of findings, enhancing the likelihood of detecting significant relationships or effects. Data analysis. Why analyze data? Data analysis involves organizing, interpreting, and drawing conclusions from collected data. It helps researchers identify patterns, relationships, and trends, and provides evidence to support research objectives and hypotheses. Data analysis, analyzing qualitative data. Analyzing qualitative data involves techniques such as thematic analysis, content analysis, and discourse analysis. It focuses on identifying patterns, themes, and meanings in textual or visual data. Data analysis, analyzing quantitative data. Analyzing quantitative data involves statistical techniques such as descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, correlation analysis, and regression analysis. It aims to summarize and analyze numerical data to identify relationships, make predictions, or test hypotheses. Descriptive v. Inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics summarize and describe the main characteristics of a dataset, while inferential statistics draw conclusions or make inferences about a larger population based on sample data. What are mean, mode, median? Mean represents the average value of a dataset, mode is the most frequently occurring value, and median is the middle value when data is ordered. Distribution, dispersion, central tendency. Distribution refers to the pattern or spread of data values. Dispersion measures how spread out the data is, while central tendency measures the typical or central value of the data. Normal distribution, bell curve. The normal distribution, also known as the bell curve, is a symmetrical probability distribution that is commonly observed in many natural and social phenomena. Standard deviation. Standard deviation is a measure of the dispersion or spread of data around the mean. It quantifies the average distance between each data point and the mean. Significance tests, p-value. Significance tests determine whether observed differences or relationships in data are statistically significant, meaning they are unlikely to have occurred by chance. The p-value represents the probability of obtaining results as extreme as the observed results, assuming the null hypothesis is true. False negatives and false positives. False negatives occur when a test or analysis fails to detect a true effect or relationship, while false positives occur when a test or analysis wrongly indicates the presence of an effect or relationship when there is none. Correlation v. Causation. Correlation refers to a relationship or association between two variables, while causation implies that changes in one variable directly cause changes in another. Correlation does not necessarily imply causation, as other factors may be influencing the observed relationship. Positive and negative correlation. Positive correlation indicates that as one variable increases, the other variable also tends to increase. Negative correlation means that as one variable increases, the other variable tends to decrease.